The average of the first 2 exams of a student is 52. His average over 3 exams should be at least 60 for him to pass. What is the minimum score he must obtain on his third exam to pass? Okay, so we use the formula for average or mean. So the formula for average or mean, the symbol is x bar, is summation of x over n. Summation of x, so these are the sum of all the scores, and the n is the number of exam. Okay, so let's solve first in the first 2 exam. The average of the first 2 exams of a student is 52. So therefore, we can solve the total of the two numbers, summation of x. Okay, so given the average is 52, the average of the first 2 exams, so therefore the x bar here is 52 equals the summation of x over n. N is 2 because given we have first 2 exams. Okay? So we can now get the summation of x, the total of the two tests. Okay? Total of 2 exams. Okay? So we can find the total of 2 exams, just multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Okay? So multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Therefore, 2 times 52, that is equal to 104. 104 is the total of the 2 exams. Okay? So now, his average over 3 exams, should be at least 60 for him to pass. So this time, we will use the same formula. X bar is equal to summation of x over n, but this time, the summation of x is the total of 3. Total of 3 exams. Okay? Total of 3 exams, the n now will be 3. And then we have x bar. So his average over 3 exams should be at least 60. So the average should be 60. So the question is, what is the minimum score he must obtain on his third exam? Okay? So third exam, so the sum of the 2 exams is 104. So we have 104 plus the third exam. We don't know the third exam, so we will put any variable. Let's say x. Now, just solve the value of x. Okay, so to solve the value of x, we can divide or we can multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator 3. Multiply both sides of the equation by 3 so that we can cancel the denominator. Cancel this. 3 times 60, that is equal to 180, is equal to 104 plus x. Now, we can solve the value of x by subtracting 104 on both sides of the equation. So, cancel this. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 180 minus 104. The answer is 76. So, therefore, the correct answer is letter C, 76. Follow for more.